In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications in Attio. We'll start from the Attio home screen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find Notifications. Click into that area, then open Settings. This is where you can control how Attio keeps you updated, both inside the app and through email. Taking a minute to review these options can make a big difference, especially if you want to stay on top of tasks, comments, and access requests without missing anything important. First, make sure Daily Digest is enabled. This setting includes tasks that are overdue and tasks due today, and it sends a summary every morning if there's anything that needs your attention. This is a useful option if you prefer getting one clear overview at the start of the day, instead of relying only on individual alerts. Next, find Mentions, and make sure both the email and app checkboxes are selected. This allows Attio to notify you whenever someone tags you with an @mention in notes or comments. Turning on both options is helpful because you'll see updates whether you're actively working in Attio or checking your inbox. After that, do the same for replies. Check both email and app so you're notified whenever someone replies to one of your comments. This can help you stay in the loop on ongoing discussions and respond faster when collaboration is happening. Now move to email grants. Again, enable both email and app notifications. This setting lets you know when email access is requested, or when your own requests are accepted or denied. If your workflow involves shared inboxes or permissions, this is especially important to keep enabled. Then, for task assignments, select both email and app. That way, Attio will notify you whenever you're assigned a task. This helps make sure new responsibilities don't slip by unnoticed. For shared resources, also check both boxes. This sends a notification when someone shares a resource with you, such as an email. It's a simple way to stay aware of anything passed along for your review. Next, enable both email and app for sequence delegated sender invites. This will notify you when someone invites you to be a delegated sender in a sequence. If your team uses sequences regularly, this setting helps you catch those invitations right away. Finally, go to Permission Requests and make sure both email and app are checked there as well. This notifies you when someone requests access to a resource you manage, or when your own requests are approved or declined. Once all of these are turned on, your Attio notifications will be fully set up and much easier to manage across both email and the app. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.